Hello, I'm making a series of videos about the time I went to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 12 of this series. If you want to learn more about this trip, about why I went to Tokyo in 2012, and about why I'm sharing this now, I recommend that you watch part 1, which is the introduction to this series of videos. So here is Japan, here is Tokyo. I will be reading some of the notes that I wrote back in 2012. Mardi 7 août 2012. Réveil à 6 heures. So the house was around there, near Kosuge Station. À l'école jusqu'à 13 heures. Every morning I took 3 trains from Kosuge Station to Shinokubo Station, and then I walked from Shinokubo Station to the language school. So I think that was a little store near the school. Puis, départ vers 14-15 heures pour Marunouchi, d'environ 16h à 17h au Palais Impérial. There, the heart of Tokyo, it's the Imperial Palace. I think that's Louis and somebody else from the school. Oh yeah, I remember this guy. Don't know what's his name, but yeah, he was nice too, but I don't remember who he was. Otemachi Station. Okay, so Luis and that other guy waving, big buildings. Okay, so we're getting closer to the palace. So I'm at the Imperial Palace, so that's the entrance, the bridge, one of the entrance, seen from the inside. There you go, because you can't visit the palace itself, but you can visit some parts of the garden. It's open. Was that a little bird? That's nice. Very nice. It's funny like how very tidy it is compared to like the old like ancient walls around with the big stones. I think that this is just like a square, and the Imperial Palace is like there, somewhere there. Right. Very nice. Alright, what am I doing? Pretending I'm going to put my shoe in there. What on earth am I wearing? Ooh, nice one. Yeah, some cool buildings. Sort of this cliche of ancient versus new. Hello. So, there's an entrance there, but apparently we can't enter. I don't know, Louis and the other guy are talking there. So, you can enter inside, but you need to take a guided tour with over like 50 people, and we don't like that, so we're just going to walk around. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so Louis and the other guy are in front, walking far away. Ah, Victorio. Okay. Louis and Victorio. Okay. That's why you film, that's why you make videos, so that you remember people's name. very windy. Very nice all around the water. Very beautiful. I think I should have maybe visited, but it was already like the end of the afternoon. The Luis San Vittorio. Very nice. Can really see all the buildings there. So the Pokemon song, now sing, stereo. What the fuck? Oh, that's excellent. Excelente. Pretty fishy. Oh, look at its colors. Wow. Beautiful. So finally, we find an entrance for tourists without guided tour. Free entrance, yay. So, oh, look at the walls, very nice. Oh wow, that's big. That is huge. Please return this ticket at the exit. 5 p.m. close. That's really cute. They give an admission ticket while it's free. I don't see the point, but here we are. Rare pieces with interesting histories. Oh, that's a cat. Oh, so cute. Neko. Neko. That's cat in Japanese. What? Okineko. What was I saying to the cat? Okineko. What is it? That's really impressive, all the buildings there. Oh, that's the other side of the admission ticket. So apparently, if you wait there, the sign for pedestrians will be green faster. À 18h, arriver à Kosuge, marcher le long de la rivière, rentrer à la maison à 19h. Then I went back to Kosuge. So Kosuge Station is there. The house was there. So instead of just walking along the road there like I would usually do, it was possible to actually walk along the river there just to have a nicer view. So just waiting for the next train there. Oh, I think I was unsure about which train I was supposed to take. I think that's this one, yeah. Right, so crossing the river. As you can see, like the sides of the river are quite large, so you have like room for like activities, here some sports. So that's pretty nice, like there's life going on around the river. And you can see the path to walk there. Why am I moving so much instead of just holding the camera still, for the love of God? So that's Kosuge Station, by the way. All the bikes there. Near the Turbo store. Right, so that was the store under the station where I bought most of my dinners. And the vending machines. Why didn't I stop to film properly instead of just walking? That's infuriating. To the store. And why am I filming the ground? Like, film properly instead of just, dear God. Yes, that's watermelon. So that's around 13 euros. Yeah. Fruits, super expensive. Was it 13 euros really, or did I misread this? Because the one in front was like red. Is it 13 euros or like 2 euros? Oh. Alright, I don't actually remember filming in the store. That's funny. Alright. For dinner, yeah. Oh, 2 of those. Wow. Did I forget to put it back? The little thing. I forgot to put it back there. Put it back. Alright, so juice. Okay, so at the time of the conversion rate, you just basically had to move from from yen to euro. So like if you have 200 yen, that would be like 2 euros at the time. Now it would be really less now. Some loose. Oh yeah, I remember that they packed, like we don't do that in France. Like when you're at the cash register, you just pack your own stuff. Just that for dinner, nothing else. I don't understand what she's saying. I think I didn't understand either at the time what they were saying. So I'm going to try to walk behind or like on top of the little hill to see the river. I've seen that there were football teams, children training, so I'm going to have a look. That's really good, these little things. It's not in focus, right? That's really good. I don't really know what's inside. I think it's a mix of meat and potato. No, this one is meat and potato, but it's a little bit cold. They make them on site. In a lot of little shops you can find this. It's really good. I took 2.
Ça a presque un petit arrière-goût sucré.
There's nearly like a sweet side to it.
Châtaigne dedans, je sais pas.
Nearly as if there was chestnuts.
Ils aiment le kawaii et puis au niveau de la nourriture, ils aiment aussi.
They love kawaii, and with the food there's love. Sometimes it's spicy, but sometimes it's sweet. Yeah, a mix of salty and sweet. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, dragonfly. Yeah, I see a lot of dragonflies around there. Very nice. So that's the bridge. The train is going on that bridge.
Wow.
What a view.
Moi j'habite par là-bas, près de...
So, the house is this way.
Et de l'autoroute. C'est super. On va zoomer un petit peu.
So let's zoom. So some kids playing, training. More trains. Yeah, people walking, running, cycling. I'm going to stop the video to take some photos. I don't know what those kanjis are for. So they're training for football or soccer for the Americans. What a view! Yeah, so that's all the cars, like, on the ground and then on the bridge. I have to try to not miss the street, like where the house is, which is below. And then more bags there, unlocked. With all the bags. Yeah, which is normal there, apparently. What a view!
Essayez de prendre des photos quand même. Petite pause.
So the stairs going down to the streets where there's a house.
Voilà la maison.
And that's the house. Yeah, the house. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. It was so much fun again for me to have a look at those old photos and videos. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!